I was bored and I'm bored and I'm bored and I was bored. I'm bored, 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 bored. I'm bored, 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 bored.
Becca, you played that boy.
Hey y'all, what's up? It's me, Kelci. What is up? What's good? What's poppin'? Welcome or welcome back to my channel. So as you can tell by the title, today in this video I'm gonna be showing y'all my everyday updated makeup routine. If y'all see my other makeup routine, this one today is gonna be more updated because I've changed some things into my makeup routine. So I'm gonna make this quick. Subscribe if you haven't already to join my gang. And go ahead and click that notification bell button to be notified whenever I upload a new video, and follow my social medias. So without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and get started with the video. Okay, y'all. So, this routine, I do not use foundation because I just don't feel like I need foundation. It's just not really necessary for me. I used to wear BB cream, but I don't wear that anymore either. All right, so first thing I do is I go in with my primer. This is the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Matte Face Primer, and yeah, you just put it all over your face. And as far as my makeup, I just do like natural makeup. I don't do anything like dramatic, except for like special occasions. But other than that, my everyday makeup is more of a natural look because I want to make it seem like I don't have on makeup. You know what I'm saying? Even though like when I do wear makeup, the only person that actually says something about me wearing makeup is my boyfriend. He'll be like, "I know you're wearing makeup." I'm like, no, I'm not." And he'll be like, "Okay, let me see then. Let me get a napkin and wipe your face and see if you have on makeup." Like, nobody asked you. But okay. But yeah, I just make it seem like I'm not wearing makeup, but I do have some on. Like, you know, I just want to keep it as natural as possible. Next is I do my eyebrows. I use an eyebrow pencil and not pomade because like I think pomade is like for people who actually like don't really have eyebrows, but I just use a pencil to like fill in like the empty spots I have and stuff, just to give it a little shape or whatever. But yeah, that's just what I do. This is the ColourPop Brow Boss Pencil in the shade Soft Black. So I just go in. First I brush my eyebrows out, and then I'll go through and fill them in. All right, after I do my brows, next thing I do is I go in with my Wet n Wild. This is an eyeliner pencil, but I get it from Dollar Tree. And this, I take my Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade 30 Cafe. And I just take this and I take my brush and just dip the brush onto the applicator and just dip it on there. And then I'm gonna take this and just outline my brows to like just clean them up a little bit. So Alrighty, so after I outline my brows, I take my beauty blender and then I just spray it a little bit so it'll be easier to blend in the concealer around my brows. So I wasn't gonna use this, but since I do have a dark mark right here, I'm just gonna use that. Y'all don't even know what I'm using. I'm gonna go in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer Orange Corrector, and I'm just going to put a little bit on there to cover up my dark spot. Righty, so I just take the same beauty blender and I just blend that in. It kind of went away just a little bit, but when I put my other concealer on, it'll go away. Okay. Then I'll go in with my other LA Girl Pro Concealer. As you can see, I'm about out. This is in the shade Chestnut, and then I put this, well, y'all will see where I'm gonna put it at, so. So after concealer, that is when I do my eyelashes. So sometimes I will just wear mascara, or then sometimes I will put on lashes. If I do wear lashes, I just do a natural pair, and I would do something like this right here. These are Eyelashes lashes, Viso Free, and the style E13. So I don't know what I'm gonna do yet. Sometimes I just do mascara, sometimes I just do lashes, so I'll just figure it out in a minute. But one thing I do, wait a minute, okay, before I actually do my eyelashes, that is when I set my face, actually. So like while my face is setting, that's when I do my eyelashes. So I'm actually gonna set my face first. I'm gonna use the Makeup Revolution Banana Deep Setting Powder, and I got this from Ulta. And then I got just a wedge brush from Shop Miss A. And so I'm just gonna, this is where I make a mess. But for some reason, every time I set my face, I ended up looking like a powdered donut. But we're gonna see what I do this time. I kind of like just lightly just put it on my face, because somehow I just always put too much. Okay, not that bad this time. All right, now while my face is setting, then I will do my eyelashes. So I take my eyelash curler and I curl my lashes first. Okay, so I think I've decided I'm gonna just do mascara today. I'm not gonna do lashes because I really don't feel like putting them on, but if I was putting on lashes, these are what I would put on because these are my favorite lashes. Like, these are really, really cute. Let me show y'all real quick. So yeah, I know I don't have them on all the way, but I just wanted to show y'all real quick. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put my mascara on. Oh, I did not tell y'all what mascara I'm using. This is my all-time favorite, the Wet n Wild Mega Wear Mascara. I got this from Dollar Tree for $1, of course. But yeah, as y'all can see, this is a different mascara, no mascara. Okay, and as y'all will see me doing, I was like kind of like blinking while applying my mascara. I just think it just applies better when I actually blink instead of like just swooping up and not blinking. So like I blink when I put on mascara because it just looks better when I do it. So okay, and then I'm gonna wipe off my setting powder. This is a brush from Shop Miss A. It is the AOA Studio, and this is in the name F19. This is on the website. It's called a highlighter brush, but I just use it to wipe away my setting powder. So I just do like this. Okay, just wipe it away. Because when I bought this brush, I originally bought it for highlighter, but I just never used it for highlighter. So alrighty, so after I wipe away my setting powder, lastly I just do my lips. I'll go in with my lip liner. This is from Shop Miss A also. This video is not sponsored if you're wondering. This is called C'est La Vie, and this is in the color Butterscotch. Yeah, this is $1, and let me tell you, this is the best lip liner I ever came across. And it's actually just a pencil, so yeah, you have to sharpen it and stuff. But this is my favorite lip liner, I'm telling y'all. So I just go around and just line my lips first before I actually put on my lip gloss. Alright, so I found my lip gloss. This is the Matte Mentha Lip Shine from Bath and Body Works, and this is just a regular mint lip gloss. And yeah, it's clear lip gloss, so I just put this on my lips after I line my lips. And then I rub. It's very important that you do that. So alrighty, so after the lip gloss, then I go in with my Mario Badescu Rose Spray Water, and I use this to set my face. And then after that dries, I am done. Okay, so like my favorite part of my makeup routine really is between my brows and then my lip liner and lip gloss. Like, I don't know, for some reason I just like that combination of a brown lip liner and like clear lip gloss, or nude lip gloss. Sometimes I would do nude lip gloss too. But yeah, that is my natural everyday makeup routine. As you can see, like I just I did not use no foundation. Yeah, sometimes if I'm really going for it, I will do eyelashes, but they will be like really natural eyelashes. Yeah, I don't do those long eyelashes, 25 milliliters and stuff like that. I'm sorry, I just don't do those. But yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and follow my social medias. And thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video.
I ain't your man, that's true enough. I feel that boy, girl, true enough. I ain't hearing that boy